Okay, so what is the Students' Union? What's all the fuss about? The Students' Union is there to be your voice. It's there to stand up for students, your well-being, and it's there to improve the environment we learn in. The Student Union is really important for running clubs and societies, having social activities. Your voice, your choice, your union.
My name is Shauna Catherine Gerards. My nickname is Shauna G. Currently studying AS level Creative Writing, Health and Social Care and Religious Studies on Underneath campus.
My name is Dave Vaughan, aka Big Dave.
Hiya, my name is Thomas Wood. My nickname is Woody. I'm studying Business Level 3 at Brecon Beacons campus.
My name is Aaron Jones. I am the newly elected Education and Learning Officer. I am based at the Brecon Beacons campus studying Gateway to Further Education on the Foundation Studies course.
My name is Zoe Louise Marden. I go by quite a lot of different names, so I'm going to list them. I study Level 3 BTEC Diploma in Performing Arts at Newtown College.
Hello, my name is Lewis Carter. I'm also known as Butch. I am studying Gateway to Further Education with Aaron Jones on the Brecon campus.
Your voice is what's important to us because you can tell us how things are at the college in a way that we can't see because we see things the way we think they are. You experience things the way things really are. We want to make sure we support you, do everything we can to make sure this is a success. So please, students, get involved, make the most of it. Staff, support all you can, get involved with it. I can pledge from the top that we want to see this work. We want to make sure that it does succeed.
I think I should be a part of the union because I can give a voice to the students. I can listen very well and I will fight for people and I will fight for what they want.
Throughout my high school years, I was always part of some sort of council. I just thought I could bring my skills to the table with the student union.
I like to be part of the union because I want to make sure that all the campuses that I'm involved in have the chance to have their say.
I'd like to be a part of the student union because I want to make a difference and let students know that we're always listening and we're there for them.
I'm going to be part of the union to make a difference, to make a change.
To be an active member of the Student Union and to stand up for all the learners, whatever it takes.
We've actually been through what I consider to be it's the starting point of what's next, but it's the end of the Guys project, and that was the student union elections that will give us our new executive committee that will go forward for next year. Use this as a platform then to bigger and better things. It's really important that you move on, that you get those next steps.
My fun fact is that I knew Big Dave, the new student president, for 10 years.
I'm an avid wrestling fan. I like a good fight and stuff like that.
Fun fact about me is that I am a member of Mid Wales Airsoft.
I like sharing the odd joke or two with people.
A fun fact about me is that I have my own quail business and the queen eats my eggs.
The union is there for you, and I hope that this year's executive committee will make it a fantastic, fun union where everyone can have lots of opportunities. Good luck, everyone.